I've just returned from my holiday in the US and I wanted to share the beauty products that I brought back with me. So if you want to know why I bought a separate suitcase to bring stuff back, then let's get started. There are tons of things that I just can't get here in Ireland, and it costs a fortune to import. So I like to save up my pennies for my trips home so that I can try new products or replace some that I already love. So this haul includes products that I purchased myself, as well as some very kindly sent to me in PR. There's a lot here on this table, so I'm going to fly through them rather quickly. And as I haven't tried most of them yet, I'm likely going to be reporting back in future videos and asking you for your own thoughts. So I've listed these in alphabetical order because it was just easier for me to put it all together that way. I am starting off with a makeup brush. This is from the collaboration between BK Beauty and Angie from Hot and Flashy. It is the A506 concealer brush, and it has been on my list for ages. I actually picked up her A101 travel foundation brush recently, and it was love at first use. I've been using the full-size brush for ages, but I haven't used this once since I got this little travel size number. It's little, it's Mary sized, and she is perfect. I liked this so much that I went for her concealer brush. Now I haven't used it yet because I didn't want it to get all mucked up before the making of this video, but I am confident that I'm going to love it. It is just the perfect size and the perfect shape, and I think it's going to fit right here so beautifully, and I cannot wait to use it tomorrow. Now, I was a little bit annoyed because I bought this directly from the BK Beauty site, and one day later it was half off during the Amazon Prime Day sale. Grr. Next up are a few items by Bloom Effects. The first is their Royal Tulip Nectar. Now I'm not even done with my other one yet, but I had to stock up while I could, because they don't ship to Ireland, which I do find shocking because we're both within the EU. So I ordered this before I went home. Now, I've done a whole video about this product, so I will put that in the description bar below. I'm a little obsessed, and I think you probably already know that. Now, I also picked up their iconic Tulip Dew Sunscreen Serum, and I cannot wait to try it. Have you guys tried this yourselves? I will be reporting back, and let's see if it makes it into my next sunscreen roundup video. I do have a discount code for these guys if you're interested, so I will put those details on the screen. Next up is a hair product by Boldify. Yes, Instagram made me buy it. I have no shame. It's called the Enhance Hairline Powder, and I got it in medium blonde. Now, if you're going gray, you're gonna know why I picked this up. I struggle with the grays, particularly right here. You may see some coming through, and I would love a product that helps me delay or push out my color appointments. Now, I have tried just about everything, and since I've gone blonde, my natural hair color is actually quite dark, nothing has worked. I just can't get anything to match. I may just do a Try It Tuesday video with you guys for the first time, and if you want to see that, let me know, and I will make that happen. But fingers crossed that this guy works. Next up, 4 new body products. 4 by Boma. I love Boma. If y'all know me, you know that. And my aging skin is just getting drier, and I have found that moisturizer alone after the shower just isn't cutting it anymore. I have embraced the serums, I have embraced the oils, and I tend to use at least one of those every day in addition to my body lotions. So imagine my excitement when I saw at Target a huge Boma section, and they had a number of different products to choose from. I think I bought most of them. So the items that I picked up are the hydrating body wash. Then there is the hydrating body lotion. I also got the smoothing body serum and the nourishing body oil. Now, so far, the only one I've tried is the body wash because I didn't bring one with me. Usually I don't have to. They have stuff at my parents' house, but they didn't have anything in the shower. So I had to race out and buy it, and I have to say, I love it. I think it's fabulous. So very excited for the Boma stuff. Next up was definitely an influence purchase as well, but it's actually by a number of my friends here on YouTube, and they all rave about this product by Dermatology. I do love Dermatology. I don't buy them much because I have to import them, but I don't like to do that. But anyway, this is called the Luminous Eye Corrector SPF 41, and I have it in the color medium. Now, the primary reason I wanted to try this is that it's a dedicated sun protection for the eye area. Now, yes, I use an SPF every day, and I put it all the way up under the eyes, but I do love the idea that it combines SPF with other benefits like brightening and blurring of fine lines. Now, I don't use a concealer every day. I actually don't even wear makeup every day, but this gives me a reason to put it on. I mean, I love a brightener, anything that gives me a little bit of a pop. And now that this has an additional SPF, I will be reaching for it. Dying to try it. Okay, next up are hair products by Ypres, and these are a couple of new ones. Now, their bond repair treatment is a go-to for me, and I use it on every single wash day. So I have been purchasing and repurchasing this for months, and it is hands down one of my favorite finds of 2024. It helps repair broken hair bonds, and as a regular user of hair color, obviously, at Hot Tools, I need that extra help. So they saw one of my videos and offered to send me some product in PR. Yay! Thank you, Ypres. I got their Healthy Hair Shampoo and the Healthy Hair Conditioner combo. Now, my understanding is the textures are quite different from traditional products because they don't contain something called quaternary amines. Now, these are sticky molecules that coat each strand, and as a result, they thicken up the formula. So these are meant to clean without stripping or weighing down your hair, which sounds perfect to me. They also topped up my Bond Repair Treatment Concentrate, so thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'll be using the shampoo and the conditioner and reporting back. I do also have a discount code if you guys are interested. Now, next is a product that many of you said I need to try. It is the Super Saturated Barrier Support Serum by Experiment. Now, y'all know I am chasing the hydration train, so anything that I can do to layer hydrating products into my routine, I am game. It contains 30% glycerin, so of course I was going to go out and pick it up. So thank you for the suggestion, and I cannot wait to give this a try, and I will be reporting back. Now, just a quick aside, if you are enjoying this video, I would love if you would hit that like button so this video reaches more people, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Next up is a hat. Well, it's actually a visor. Well, it's actually a straw visor hat by the company Fur Talk. Now, my friend Jody Lynn, who has the channel Aging Naturally with Jody Lynn, she had this with her when she visited me here in Ireland a couple of months ago, and I think it's genius for a couple of reasons. Now, one, it has a massive rim that gives really good sun protection. Two, it's a visor, which I've never worn before, so it's easy to wear with ponytails or with up hairstyles, which I do a lot in hot weather. Like a baseball cap doesn't actually work for me half the time. Three, and this is the beauty, it rolls up to nothing, so it is perfect for travel. I mean, it's just fantastic. And four, this thing costs less than 15 bucks. I think it was about $12 off of the site, so I also got this in black. I'm sorry I don't have any photos. I didn't take any photos on my trip home. I was like the worst content creator ever, so I don't actually have any photos of me wearing it, but you know, you will. Next is a mascara by Judy Doll, and it's called the 3D Curling Eyelash Iron Mascara. And it's really different. It has an all steel applicator, and it is said to be a curling iron for your lashes. Yeah, we'll see. Now, what's interesting is the spacing between the grooves should be an exact match for the spacing of our lashes, which means there should be no uneven application. And it's supposed to curl. I mean, really curl your lashes. And they say it's waterproof and it lasts up to 12 hours. And it's super cheap. So if you want me to do a quick Try It Tuesday video showing the application, just let me know, and I will do it. So next up is not something new, but gosh, the love is real. It's called the Naked Stone Deep Moisturizing Lotion Bar by Kate McLeod. The reason that I love this so much is that it's a solid lotion and it melts on contact with the heat of your skin. It is so heavenly. It's a bit of luxury in my view and in my experience. Now, I have purchased and repurchased these multiple times, and I've also given them as gift. I just think they're so nice. So imagine my surprise when they actually reached out and offered to send me a new one. I have not repurchased them in ages, just because, again, they're based in the US and they have to send it to me here. So I think this might become one of those automatic repurchases every time I go back. Now, this one is in a cocoa scent, but they have loads of different scents to choose from. They have special ones that are great for, you know, pregnant ladies and all sorts of stuff. They're just gorgeous. They also have these smaller ones that are perfect for travel. And because they're solids, they don't have to be counted as liquids. You can just chuck it in your bag and off you go. Now, I have asked for a discount code, and if I get one by the time this video goes up, I will make sure to pop it in the description bar below. I think this would make a great gift, either for yourself or for someone else. I think this might show up on my Christmas list actually, because I just think it's just so nice and so unusual. and it's just beautiful. Now, next up is a new brand to me. It's called In Beauty Project, and they sent me 2 products to try. The first is called Elastic Skin. It's a serum containing encapsulated vegan growth factors, as well as copper peptides, plus a bunch of other skin-loving ingredients, which they say will improve the skin texture, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, as well as tone and firm the skin. Here is hoping. Then there's the Extreme Cream, which is actually a 2024 winner of a Harper's Bazaar Skincare Award. It contains bioretinol, peptides, ceramides, and the before and after photos on the website are pretty impressive. And actually the range is very well priced as well, so I can't wait to try these out, and I will be reporting back. Next will probably come as no surprise. You may have expected me to buy some of this while I'm home. It's Naturium. But the interesting thing is, these are not new products, but these are repurchases. Now the first, which I'm pretty sure you're going to know is coming, is Barrier Bounce. Y'all know I love this product. I've done a whole video about it. It's yummy, it's hydrating, and it just gives my skin that bounce, which is really hard to get in your 50s. I cannot buy it on this side of the pond. Like, we have lots of Naturium here. That isn't here, so I bought another bottle for my arrival. So next up is the Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50. But I got it in this cute little travel size. I think it's great. They offer 3 sizes. They have the regular, which is actually I should have brought in from the bathroom. Then they have a super-sized honkin' one. And then they have the little teeny tiny Mary-sized one, which is perfect for travel. But here's why I'm a little pissed off. I actually ordered 2 of these, but only one arrived in the box. And it was a little too late by the time I figured it out to contact them to have them send out a new one. Grr. But I will definitely be buying more of these because when it comes to travel, I'm just trying to condense as much of my stuff as I can. I have a goal for this year, which is try to take a carry-on and only a carry-on when I travel. Anywhere except my American trips home when I might be doing beauty hauls. But anywhere else I travel to, I'm trying to go with just a carry-on. So I'm becoming very mindful of the stuff that I'm packing. And this is definitely coming with me. Okay, next up is a new obsession. And it really kind of caught me by surprise. It's called the Eye Topical Supplement by OneSkin. Now, they sent me over 3 products to try to my house here in Ireland. Now, I've only opened the eye cream, but let me tell you, after only using it once, I immediately got online and I ordered another one to be sent to my house in the US because I don't have to pay to import it. I liked it that much, and I actually used my own discount code. After only a few uses and having absolutely no idea what the long-term effects are going to be, I think it's my favorite eye cream. That's pretty big, because I've had another favorite eye cream for years. Now, I will be reporting back after longer term use, of course, but as for right now, it is so nice. It is so bouncy. It is so hydrating. It just makes everything feel great. So I'm pretty sure you're going to be seeing a lot more OneSkin in my future routines. Okay, next up is a brand I have been dying to try, and y'all keep telling me I need to try. It's Prequel. It's the brand created by dermatologist Dr. Sam Ellis. I'm incredibly excited to try this range because I expect them to be highly effective. I love Sam Ellis. I've watched her here for a long time on YouTube, long before she launched this brand, and she definitely knows her shit. And I trust her. The other thing I really like about them is they are uber affordable. Nothing makes me happier than an effective skincare line that doesn't require a separate savings account. Augustina's butter, I'm talking to you. But I do use my money to buy it. Anyway, the first thing I got was the Cleanser. This is a non-drying cleanser containing 50% glycerin. You heard that right, 50%. You know how I feel about glycerin. So many people I know love this product so much that I bought 2. So I have a backup ready to go. Next, I picked up the Universal Skin Solution Dermal Spray. And I got this specifically because it contains hypochlorous acid. Now, this is new to my routine. I have never used it before. I can see it's certainly getting a lot more traction these days. But it's great because it's supposed to reduce bacteria, it speeds up wound healing, and improves overall skin health. I'm really looking forward to seeing what kind of difference this makes. But for me, skin health comes first. And I also just love my mist. So this was just a no-brainer on my part. Next is the Skin Utility Ointment Multi-Purpose Skin Protectant. I'm a loyal ointment user. I use this type of occlusive multiple times a day, every single day. So picking this up was also a no-brainer. Now we'll see if I like it any more than my super affordable CeraVes or Aquaphors. I'm really anxious to give it a try. And the last thing I got from them was the sunscreen. I mean, you guys know sunscreen's my jam, so I picked up the Sun Barrier Mineral Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 50, PA+++. Again, can't wait to try it. It's a mineral sunscreen. I'm willing to give any sunscreen a go. Fingers crossed. Okay, next is another brand that's new to me. This is RMED by Good Skin. Now, this was created by Lisa Goodman, who is the founder of the Good Skin clinics in the United States. So she's used her extensive in-clinic experience to develop products that she says are a collection of universally tailored, targeted skincare that decelerates an individual's aging process. Amen, sister. I was sent 2 of the products. It's starting to rain out there, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I live in Ireland. That happens a lot. So if so, please be patient. So they sent me 2 products containing proprietary epidermal growth factors, and let me tell you, I am here for it. One is the Radiance EGF Serum Advanced Revival and Brighten. The other is called the Renewal EGF Serum Functional Hydration and Repair. They have a whole host of incredible ingredients listed in the INCI list. Now, I'm not going to lie, they are not cheap. They have pretty hefty price tags, but all I'm saying is if they work, you know I'm buying. I invest in skincare. It's what I do. So I will be reporting back after I've had a chance to give these a try. Fingers crossed. Okay, guys, I only have 2 more things to chat about, and then we're going to wrap it up. And the first of the last 2 is ysse Beauty. This is the skincare brand developed by model and actress Molly Sims. I'm not going to lie. You know, I'm always a little bit skeptical when I hear about a new celebrity launch. But I have to admit, I have been proven wrong. I mean, super wrong in the past. I think the skincare lines by Rihanna and I think Hailey Bieber's line are excellent. So I'm willing to give this a try. And they have kindly sent me 4 different products. The first is called the Take It Off Gel Oil Cleanser. I like the idea of a gel to oil, yay. Then there's the Your Favorite X exfoliating pads. And you know, I haven't used exfoliating pads in years. I mean, years. So I'm actually quite looking forward to that. Next is called the Morning Cocktail Vitamin C Serum. And then the very last one is the Overachiever Brightening Eye Masks. And I am really doing a lot of eye masks these days. I'm finding them refreshing. And if there's anything that's going to give me a little bit of a lift, a little bit of, you know, just plump and hydration, maybe a little bit of brightening effect, can't wait. So I actually already have a discount code. So if you're interested in trying before you hear back from me, I'll make sure to put that in the links down below. And the very last product is by Wow. It's called the 1 Minute Transformation Styling Cream. And I was influenced on this one too. And shoot, I can't remember who talked about it. It was here on YouTube, but it sounds exactly like the product I need. Now, it's for use only on dry hair, and it's designed to tame the flyaways or a bit of the frizz. Now, my menopausal straw hair is just screaming out for this kind of thing. You know, today was a wash day, and I know that it might look really nice, but it takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of effort because it feels like straw. So I haven't used this product. I'm gonna report back, and anything in the arsenal that's gonna help me keep things nice and smooth, I'm here for it. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to cut this short. I fear this video is getting too long. There are other things I brought back that are not here, including a fabulous carry-on suitcase by Monos, as well as some makeup by Rare Beauty and RMS Beauty and a few other things, but I fear if I keep talking, Gary's going to kill me. So I promise the additional items will be popping up in future videos as I try them out. Of course, they will be in a faves and fails. They will be in an empties. They will be somewhere. They could be at, oh my gosh, you got to see this, try a Tuesday video. Who knows? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Seeing as I've tried very little of these products, I really would love to hear your thoughts. Have you used any of these? What products should I try first? What would you like to hear back from me on first? I do so love hearing from you, so please do leave your comments down below. And thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye. Oh, it's not working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, it is. We're good.
Okay.